is a new year. And today, we're trying a new trail. With gates and everything. The sun is coming up over the Rincon Mountains, and today is a great day for a hike.
Today, we are headed to just north of the town of Vail. Our destination is the Loma Alta Trailhead. It's about a 40-minute drive from downtown Tucson via Interstate 10 to surface streets east of the city. The parking area is at the end of South Camino Loma Alta, with the last mile of the journey on dirt roads. There are no restrooms at this trailhead, so plan accordingly.
Hello and welcome to the channel. I'd like to thank you for all your feedback. I've been getting a lot of likes and comments on the channel, and it really means a lot to me. Thank you. Today, we are at Saguaro National Park East. We're on the south side of the Rincon Mountains, checking out some brand new trails to me, and I'm very excited. It's a beautiful day and nice and cool and calm right now. It's a good way to start the hike. I want to try some new things, maybe do some more vlogging and not all about the hiking, but lots of hiking. But I really want to do a lot of storm chasing this year. I found a storm chasing group here in Tucson. Monsoon season later this year, it's going to be awesome. All right, so I'm about a little less than a mile in from the Loma Alta trailhead. We are now going to do the Coyote Wash trail. I've plotted out about a 5-mile loop on this whole hike. Elevation gains about 500 feet, a little less. It's a good way to start the year. I haven't hiked in a few weeks, so kind of getting my groove back, and so far, so good. So the Coyote Wash Trail is giving my legs a really good workout, which I very much appreciate. I keep thinking I would really like to see this during monsoon season after a rainstorm, because I'm sure this is very impressive. Must come back here and see if these are actually the waterfalls I think they are. All right, so I'm about halfway around this loop of a hike that I have planned. We are on the Ruiz Trail, headed back to the Hope Camp Trail, and it's gorgeous. I came up out of Coyote Wash and the temperature went up about 12-15 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm starting to sweat a little bit, and the sun is beautiful. There's not a breeze, very little sound, and I have not encountered anyone today. I can see houses off in the distance in the town of Vail, and lots of cell service. Feels pretty comfortable, and I'm having a good time. I do recommend this trail. I would recommend it easier than moderate. Okay, off in the distance you can see the Hope Camp Trail. That trail looks really interesting. It's probably going to be next week's hike for me, so be sure to tune into that episode. Also, that's the trail we're headed to right now to get back to the car. I'd like to thank you for coming along on my hike today. I really appreciate your feedback, whether it be through comments, subscriptions, or likes. They all inspire me, and we all need inspiration in 2025. To paraphrase Marcus Aurelius, the color of our thoughts dye our soul. May your thoughts be filled with the positive energy and the magic of the universe, and may your soul be filled with the colors of white, gold, silver, and purple. Thanks for coming along today. See you next time.